Can you build muscle and lose fat at the same time? Okay, well, there's a couple of different conditions that can make this possible, but most of the time, no. So the first condition where this is easy and possible is if you're a beginner to weights. Usually for about the first year to 2 years that you lift weights seriously, you can put on some serious muscle because the stimulus is so new to your body that your body just is forced to change. It has no choice but to make that change. Then, if you are a person that was on a layoff, that was sick for a long time, that just wasn't working out, and you return to the gym, you also can build muscle and lose weight at the same time. For most regular people, meaning people that are not enhanced with gear, this is difficult to do for one primary reason, and that is what the calories in your body are doing. Meaning that if you're in a calorie deficit, meaning that you're eating less calories than you burn so that you can lose weight, then that's not generally enough calories for your body to be able to put on a lot of muscle. Now, you might be able to cut and keep your protein high and put on a little bit of muscle as you do it, or maintain the majority of your muscle. Or if you are in a calorie surplus, meaning that you're taking in more calories than you burn, your body is going to gain weight. That's why even if you're doing a lean bulk, so you're not in an excessive amount of calories, you are going to, be able to use a lot of that to build muscle if you're lifting really hard and heavy, and maybe just put on a little bit of body fat in that process. But for the most part, guys, those calories are going to go to building that muscle with a little bit of spillover to body fat. Now, if you want to recomp really slowly, meaning that you're at about calorie maintenance, for most people, that's about 15 calories times body weight, which is generally what most nutritionists like me will put somebody at to maintain their body weight. That person will be able to put on a little bit of muscle, about 5 pounds every year, lifting hard and heavy, doing their cardio, maintaining, but not generally more than that, naturally. So if that's kind of the case where most people are at, then why does this question keep coming up? It's because most people don't even really understand the difference or what a calorie deficit is or how to change their body weight at will. Really, they think it's about just cutting out carbs or going on a high-fat diet or trying the new paleo thing, and all those things work if you can maintain them, and consistency is really where results come from. We all know that. But if you're at the point where you're like, you have to pick a goal, guys. You have to pick whether you want to be in a muscle building phase or if you want to be in a fat loss phase. And a fat loss phase is usually 3 to 6 months for somebody. Unless they have a lot of fat to lose, then it can take several years. Now, you can maintain muscle or build a little bit of muscle, especially if it's new to you in that point, or you start working out way harder than you ever have before, or start a new type of program. That can happen. But for the majority of people, and the question comes up all the time, well, which one should I start with? Should I bulk first? Should I cut first? My advice is always for people to cut first. The reason is that you can see, guys, like I'm on TRT. I'm not on like a heavy amount of gear. So because I'm on TRT, I have a little bit of muscle on my body, and I work out really hard, and I eat my 200 grams of protein to 225 a day. I get after it the best that I can, but I'm not on some large amount of compounds that's going to cause me to blow up and have a huge amount of size. And I'm not a hyper responder. I'm just a normal dad, right? So because of that, because I'm just on TRT through my doctor, like maintaining a little bit of muscle is fairly easy for me, but blowing it up to more is tough, right? But I still try all the time. And because I still have about 15 pounds to lose to hit my goal weight, I'm concentrated on cutting. So I always tell people, cut first, get the body fat off first. Even just getting the body fat off first, you look so much better. You look so much better. Then put yourself on a lean bulk, a very slight calorie surplus, like body weight times 16, and go. And if you're building muscle, stay on that. And if not, okay, add 100 calories a week and then watch the results for 4 weeks and then see if you need to up it again or not. And it's really that simple. And losing weight is really that simple too. You put yourself on a slight calorie deficit, watch it for 2 weeks. Okay, I'm not losing body fat. I'm eating consistently what I'm supposed to. Okay, lower it by 100 calories. Let's watch it for 2 more weeks. Okay, now I'm losing body fat. I don't need to adjust it. And you just keep doing this over and over until you get to the result, and then you build it back up. It's not a complicated formula. People have made it really hard, guys, where it doesn't need to be. So the question is, can you build muscle and lose body fat at the same time? Really only if you're a beginner or returning lifter, or if you're enhanced. Most people, you really have to just pick one, guys. So pick one. I recommend getting leaner first, and then going forward and doing your lean bulk if you want to maintain that leanness. That's what my plan is. That's what I would advise most people to do. But let me know your opinion. Can you lose body fat and build muscle at the same time if you're not an enhanced athlete?